Hello everyone, welcome to AHCareerTalk YouTube channel. Freshers, this is a high growth opportunity in Hyderabad. This opportunity is from Ryan, a global company known for its award winning culture and strong career growth. They offer flexible work environment, paid time off, free transportation, and rapid career growth opportunities. Let's talk about the role. The role is about Associate Business Analyst Innovation TCS, and the location is Hyderabad, and this is a full time job. Coming to the role, in this role, you will work with India teams and US clients on real business projects. And your work will include managing large client databases, preparing reports, handling tax and financial data, and communicating with US teams as well. Basically, this is a perfect mix of data, business plus communication skills. Coming to key responsibilities, you need to clean, transform, and analyze data and reconcile data from different sources. You need to prepare reports for consultants and you need to talk to US clients and give updates. And writing SQL queries and handle databases. You will start working independently after training. And coming to eligibility, any bachelor's or master's degree is required and experience is 0 to 2 years. Freshers can apply. To get selected, you need to have a basic knowledge of tax or accounting, good analytical and problem solving skills, attention to detail, and communication skills. You need to have a very basic knowledge of SQL and databases as well, and familiarity with Excel, Word, Outlook. If you know SQL plus Java basics, that's a bonus. This is not just a random job. You will work with international clients and gain real time data experience, and you can grow fast in your career. This is a strong entry point into business analyst and data roles. And one important thing is don't fall for job scams. No company will ever ask you to pay money for a job. Always apply through official websites only. And I gave link in the description. Kindly check and apply before the closing date. If you want more job updates like this, follow now and save this video and share with your friends. Please subscribe for more job updates. Thank you so much.